red-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelicans. Here they go. Back to Africa, the birds with their long, sexy legs, our greater flamingos. Last but not least, let's color the skies with our beautiful flypast of macaws. Look up there and there. Our grand finale of birds, everyone. Let's give them a big hand, shall we? Alright, we've come to the end of the show. We want to bring home these birds in the form of souvenirs. Look up, we have them available here at a special price. Don't miss out on that offer. You can check out Sunny, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon up there as well. Now, after this group of birds leaves the stage, there's going to be a photography session with our other group of flamingos. Do stay on if you are interested for more details. On behalf of our sponsors, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a great day in the park. But before you leave, everyone, remember to look around you and take all your belongings with you. Thank you and goodbye.